Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm a talent acquisition specialist here at Vivant. Technical skills are number one, especially since we're hiring for network engineers and VoIP engineers. If they have the right skills, both in communication, in English communication, one of the major things I also look out is since they will be working on site, I need to make sure that they have the right temperament, they have the right attitude, the right motivation. We're looking at it in a holistic manner. I focus more on quality rather than quantity. If you're going to come into Vivant, you are not just, coming in for work and stuff. It is going to be a full commitment that includes, your behavior, your motivation, your attitude towards your colleagues, your attitude towards your job. So it's pretty much a 360 deal. If you are looking for someone for a setup or venue wherein at the same time that you are molding your skills, your career, I would say, yeah, go for Vivant. Yes, they do have a pack leader. My oldest, he's 11 years old now. When I initially had this one dog, I felt that he's lonely. So I got him another one, like a playmate. And from then on, the chaos begins. They're all in all 8 now. And I have one cat that it was given to me actually. He's a tuxedo cat. His name is Mr. Whizco Black. And he's around somewhere right now. Yes, I try these days. I would like to deep dive into more of sustainable farming where you're not using too much of, the old ways, not using too much of pesticides or chemicals and just using, organic stuff. I have about 2 coffee plants just last year. They started bearing fruits, the coffee beans. I have cacao as well. And I tried to make them into coffee. Before I have my tomatoes, and I have my pepino, cabbages, petchai, and I have some seeds here as well that I've been wanting to plant, but I haven't had a chance to because I was so busy over the weekend.